Nostalgia from the Cracktastic Classic Podcast, here with another unboxing first impressions video on YouTube. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. Once again, I'm joined by my son, Ethan.
Yo.
And we're here with, what do we have today?
Heroic armored horse. War horse.
We got Stridor.
Can you believe it?
From the Origin line. Yeah, heroic armored warhorse. So I have one of these as a vintage figure, and
I just call him Stridor.
Yep, and it's a target, I believe. Attach blast effects. It's got some good artwork there. We have little peaks of Sunman and Roton, and looks like Screech there.
Is that Sunman? Yeah,
that's Sunman up there. And then Fisto, but he's already a figure we have. On the back, there's a Zor.
Wait, did you see Screech?
Yep, I showed that one.
Okay.
You see it right there. Not blocking. And then on the back, we got Zor and
He-Man and Stridor.
Yep, and then got the Grayskull.
Then you got
Oh yeah, then you got the Terror Claw Skeletor, which should be the next one, and then we already have Flying Fist He-Man.
Flying Fist.
Alright, so open this up, and it says on the back here too that the base of Stridor attaches to Castle Grayskull.
And which is conveniently right here.
So we brought out the Origin Castle Grayskull to show how it attaches to that as well. So, we're just going to cut the plastic or tape on here and use a knife to pop the tabs on there. Like that. And then hopefully pull out this figure. Save the box for later. And he's got this, got a lot of stuff stuck in there. I have to cut a lot of stuff to get him out of here, I think.
You do?
Yeah. Ugh. He's really tied in there, I guess it looks like. Hopefully they'll do a Night Stalker at some point. Here's one of the helmet pieces. Maybe Ethan can show it up to the camera.
Nay. Got like feathers on the back.
There's so much stuff tied down.
Debris.
It's nice that this one actually articulates. The original is pretty much a static pose, so it just was in one pose. There's this.
There's his rhymes, I think.
His rings.
Rings.
There's part of the platform. Oh, I got a couple of pieces down here.
Don't think you can come out.
Oh, his nose is stuck. There's a lot to cut on this this particular one.
Oh, I think he's got tape.
Oh, yeah.
See if he'll come out yet. Okay. He's coming out. No, he's not. He's got. Oh, maybe. He came out. Let's go.
Here's part of the base that comes with. It's a cool little piece. So this piece should attach once we get the other piece on there. This little gate piece. The blast effects, or his guns are in here. I didn't see the blast effects. Oh, they're right there. They're blending in. So Ethan wants to show, get these pieces off of there. Show that to the camera.
He kind of just looks funnier with this one on.
Yeah, it looks a little weird.
And then I'll show you guys the other one.
So that just sticks in there like that.
Which is this one. Where's the... Are you just putting your trash in here?
Sure.
Got you?
Well, maybe. These guns out.
I just got like slides like that.
So yeah, it looks like it just slides into the Castle Grayskull there, so you can.
Then maybe like you
And
can
then-
put a training post right here.
If you wanted to pose them, you'd put this piece into the platform, and then that would stick into Stridor as well. These are really stuck in there. Oh, here's one of the blast effects. If you want to show that camera. Here's another one. They have 3 for some reason. Oh, I guess there's back gun. Right, his tail gun.
Yeah, thank you. Butt gun.
Butt gun. There's that one. Those are kind of how's that plastic feel?
It's like it's kind of soft, but
Like a soft rubber.
yeah, kind of.
Yeah. Really good. Here's one of the guns.
I'll go with
So a pretty good recreation of the vintage style. Oh my god. Get out of the way. There we go. Got it finally. There's the other gun.
Can I have it?
Yep, there you go. Alright, what do we got here? So put this down. Attach this little piece to here. Like so. That way we can pose Stridor on that. Like I said, Ethan's attaching the other pieces to Stridor.
Maybe.
The blast effects. Blast effects to the guns, and
We have this butt gun.
let's take a look at here.
Then you got the 2 guns that are supposed to go on the side, but I can't get them to go.
Oh, we'll get it on here. All right.
So it goes long piece out, so short piece in.
Does it?
It's the only way it will fit.
Like this?
No.
Where's the?
Not
Give me the
like
box there. Oh, I see. Doesn't really say. There's no instructions, so you just have to figure it out yourself.
Yeah, there's a long piece.
Okay.
Long piece that goes out.
So we'll put the little short stubby piece in there. And that just pushes in. And then he's got his blast effects. If you want to grab in the box, maybe one of those wrestlers. Because they're Origin. I don't think I have any other Origin figures out. But all of his legs move, which is kind of nice. They move up. So he could be like he's jumping or, you know, something like that. Or kicking somebody. And the articulation on the front hoof, the knee joint and the hip joint, basically. Not that guy with the hand.
Well, he's got a hand.
So we'll put the Stone Cold in there. So they fit pretty
Here,
well.
I'll go do it. I'll go.
well, and then
Nope.
yep, you want to do it in front of the camera there.
So then you know you could get your other one and just like kind of.
Yep.
Stick it in there.
So you can put the reins in his hand, which is kind of a nice feature. Additional feature is putting these kind of rope reins in Stridor
String.
there.
It's their string.
Yeah. But this was a rope. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, you can pose them a whole bunch of different ways instead of just the the way it was in the vintage way. It had like one curved leg and one straight like that.
Which was not very good.
Yeah. Oh, his head moves too. It looks like.
Yeah,
So
his
that's
head
cool.
and neck moves.
So you can move it up and down.
You could go
So
like a chew.
You can. Oops, I can take that. And his mouth opens like that, so he can talk. And put the bit in his mouth.
No, just open it and I'll put it in there. Close it.
So up and down, side to side. So that's good. A lot of articulation on this figure. A lot of posing. A lot of ability to pose this figure into different ways you want to do. And so yeah, what do you think of this, Ethan?
I think it's great, and we also need to get going because it's almost about to be 10 minutes.
Okay, that's just about right then. Like I said, the guns move. Pretty much all recreation of the same figure before. I think it looks great. Great packaging as well with all of these Origin figures. A lot more articulation, and you can fit
A lot more.
all the Origin figures in it. So be sure to like and subscribe if you like
Ring that
more
notification
of this
bell.
stuff.
Leave a
And,
comment down below.
yeah, comment if you like the stuff. We'll say hi. We'll respond to them and say,
Hey, you're cool.
yeah, you're cool. All right. Talk to you guys later.
See ya.
See ya.